If you're over 50 and walking every day, but your weight isn't changing, you're likely making a mistake that actually slows fat loss. Mistake number 1. One of the biggest mistakes people over 50 make is walking too fast, like a cardio workout. It may feel like you're doing more, but in reality, it can work against you. When you walk too fast, your body becomes tense, your shoulders tighten, your breathing gets shallow, and your steps become heavy. This can lead to quick fatigue, knee discomfort, and even lower back strain. And because it feels tiring, you can't sustain it for long. So overall, fat burning becomes less effective. After 50, your body responds better to controlled, steady movement, not intensity. Here's the fix. Slow down your walking pace. Take gentle, controlled steps. Let your heel touch the ground first. Then smoothly roll your foot forward. Keep your posture upright, your shoulders relaxed, and your breathing calm. Focus on rhythm instead of speed. When you walk this way, your body stays relaxed. You can go longer, and that's what helps activate consistent fat burning safely. Remember, slow, controlled, and consistent wins after 50. Mistake number 2. Another common mistake after 50 is walking without body awareness. Many people don't realize it, but while walking, their shoulders are tight, their back is stiff, and their steps feel heavy. When your body is tense like this, every step takes more effort. Your joints absorb more impact, especially your knees and hips. And over time, this not only causes discomfort, but also reduces how efficiently your body burns fat. Here's the fix. Start by relaxing your shoulders. Let them drop naturally, away from your ears. Keep your spine upright, but not stiff. Think of your body as tall and relaxed, not rigid. Now focus on your steps. Instead of stepping hard onto the ground, walk softly and lightly, almost like you're gliding forward. Let your heel touch first, then gently roll your foot. When your body is relaxed and aligned, your movement becomes smoother, more efficient, and easier to sustain. Remember, relaxed body, lighter steps, better results after 50. Mistake number 3. Another mistake many people over 50 don't notice is poor breathing while walking. Most people take short, shallow breaths, especially when they're focused on moving or trying to walk faster. But shallow breathing limits the amount of oxygen your body receives. And without enough oxygen, your metabolism slows down, which means your body burns less fat. Over time, this also makes you feel tired more quickly, even during simple walking. Here's the fix. Start breathing through your nose, slowly and deeply. As you walk, take a gentle, deep inhale through your nose. Let your belly expand naturally, not your chest. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the air. Now, match your breathing with your steps. For example, inhale for 2 to 3 steps. Exhale for 3 to 4 steps. This creates a smooth rhythm between your body and your breath. When your breathing is deep and controlled, your body relaxes, your endurance improves, and fat burning becomes more effective. Remember, deep breathing, steady rhythm, better results after 50. Solution. Now let's put everything together with a simple and effective method. Tai Chi walking. This is not about speed. It's about control, balance, and flow. Start by taking slow, gentle steps. There's no need to rush. Move at a pace that feels calm and natural. As you step forward, let your heel touch the ground first, then slowly roll your foot from heel to toe. Now focus on shifting your weight. Instead of rushing into the next step, pause slightly and transfer your weight fully onto your front leg. Feel that stability before moving again. At the same time, breathe deeply and slowly. Inhale through your nose. Exhale gently as you continue walking. Everything should feel smooth and connected. Your steps, your breath, and your body. Keep a steady rhythm, not too fast, not too slow. When you walk this way, your body stays relaxed, your joints are protected, and your metabolism becomes more active. This is how you activate fat burning after 50, safely and naturally. Slow, controlled, and consistent movement makes all the difference. Demo flow. Now let's walk together, step by step, using the full Tai Chi walking flow. Step 1. Heel touch. Gently. Step forward and let your heel touch the ground first. Don't rush this part. Keep your movement slow and controlled. This helps reduce impact on your knees and prepares your body for a smooth step. Step 2. Roll the foot. Now slowly roll your foot forward from the heel to the middle and then to the toes. Let the entire foot connect with the ground. Avoid stepping flat or heavy. Think of it as placing your foot softly, like you're moving quietly. Step 3. Shift your weight. Before taking the next step, pause for a moment. Gently shift your body weight onto the front leg. Feel your balance. Your back leg should become lighter, almost effortless. This weight transfer is the key to stability and control. Step 4. Breathe. As you move, breathe slowly and naturally. Inhale through your nose as you begin the step, and exhale gently as you complete it. Try to match your breath with your movement. For example, 1 full step, 1 full breath. Now repeat the flow, slowly and continuously. Heel touch, roll the foot, shift your weight, and breathe. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your posture upright, and your movements smooth. This gentle rhythm not only protects your joints, but also helps your body stay active longer, which is the key to safe and effective fat burning after 50. If you want a full Tai Chi walking routine for fat loss after 50, make sure to watch the next video in the playlist below. That video will guide you step by step, so you can follow along easily and safely at home. And if this video helped you today, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. I create simple, gentle exercises designed specifically for people over 50 to help you lose weight, improve balance, and stay healthy without stress or injury. Also, feel free to share this video with a friend or family member, especially someone who is trying to stay active and healthy after 50. Small, consistent steps can lead to big changes over time. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.